Good morning everyone. Today we will start our new chapter, that is integers, chapter number 5. Okay. Chapter 5, integers. See, in chapter 4, chapter checkup is given here. So chapter checkup you have to solve because all questions are similar to exercise questions that you can solve very easily. After that, today we are starting one new chapter, that is integers. So see on page number 70, one topic is given there, integers. Whole numbers along with the negative numbers are called integers. Whole number along with the negative numbers. What is whole number? Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. But it has been given here that whole numbers along with the negative numbers. It means here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 up to, this is also given up to infinity. So whole number along with the integers or whole numbers along with the negative numbers is known as integers. Okay. Now see, three important points to remember about integers are: there are infinite positive numbers to the right of 0 and there are infinite negative numbers to the left of 0, as well as see, there are infinite numbers 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, and here also there are infinite numbers. This is known as integers. Now see the second point: if the number line of integers in the number line of integers, every number on the right is greater than all the numbers on its left and vice versa. See, we will make one number line here. This is a number line. Here we are putting 0. This is our midpoint. Starting, this is our right side. Here we are putting 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash and it up to where it has been given. Here you can put here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay. Now see what they have told. In the number line of integers, every number on the right is greater. Every number on right, this is your right side and this is your left side. And now what they are telling, that every number on the right side is greater than all the numbers of left side. These numbers are greater than these numbers. Okay, the number of right sides are greater than the left side. This point is given here. Now see, point number C: for every number on the right of 0, there is a number on the left of 0, both at the same distance from 0. See now, this the distance between the number from 0 to this number, these are equal. For example, for the number 8 on the right side of 0, there is number -8 on the left of 0. Now see, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. Now see, from 0, what is the distance between 0 to 8? It is 8 centimeter. Okay, and from here when you are measuring it, the distance will remain the same. What is the distance from here? It is given, the same distance will remain in the left side. So on both the sides, distance that you have to measure from 0 will be same on left and right side. these two numbers are called the opposite. Thus every number on the right of 0 has an opposite on the left of 0 and vice versa. The natural numbers 1, 2, 3 dash 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 in the system of integers are called positive integers. Which are the positive integers? These are the positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not including 0. When you are including 0, it will become whole number, but when you are not including the 0, it will become natural numbers. And sometimes denoted as +1, +2, +3. The numbers to the left of 0 are called negative integers. These are called negative integers. Why? Because -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 that is given here. So which are these positive integers? And these are negative integers. Okay. Now see, the whole number 0 is neither a positive integer nor a negative integer. This 0 is not a negative integer nor a positive integer, as the negative of 0 is 0 itself. Now see, this not is given here. The integer -6 is read as -6 or -6, while +6 is read as +6 or simply 6. Yes, that is, just suppose -1 we have to read. How we can read is that is given here -1 or that is -1, and here +1 or +1, or simply you can +1 we cannot read it, simply you can read it 1, it means it is +1. Now see, in our day to day life examples, we consider temperature above 0 degree. See, temperature above 0 degree as positive and below 0 degree as negative. See, temperature, if they are asking about temperature, if temperature is above 0 degree, it will become positive. Okay, and if it is below 0 degree, it will become negative. Okay. Now see, second point, in height, if the mean sea level is considered as the 0 level, and if the above mean sea level is positive height, then depth is negative height. See what they are trying to say. In height, if the mean sea level is considered as the 0 level, see, if the sea level is at 0 level, then if it will become to the below. If they are asking of the above mean sea level, and if the above mean sea level is positive height, if its height is, if they are asking about the positive height, then depth is negative height, then its depth will become, depth is its negative height. Okay. Now see D, in profit and loss, if profit is positive, then loss is negative, profit and vice versa. See, profit is positive and loss is negative. This negative. How this profit is positive? Because if you are getting profit of something, that just suppose you are purchasing something. If it is purchased in 5 rupees and you are getting the profit of 2 rupees, it means you are selling it in 7 rupees. It means you are getting the profit of 2 rupees more. It means 2 rupees more is added to your money. It means you are getting the profit of 2 rupees. That is, you got here positive. Then loss, if you are selling it in 3 rupees and you have purchased it in 5 rupees, then you are getting the loss of -2. It means you are getting it negative. So you got the loss of 2 rupees. That's why it will become negative point. So these points you have to remember. Now see example number first. If profit is considered as positive, state the following as profit. See profit of 50 rupees. How you can describe it? So if profit is considered as positive, state the following as profit. See profit of 50 rupees. Profit of 50 rupees, it means 50 rupees more is added to your money. So it will become plus 50. Plus 50 is added to your money. Now see, so profit is rupees plus 50. Now loss of rupees 25. It means rupees 25 is reduced from your money. It will become minus 25. Okay. Now see example number 2. If depth is considered as positive, express the following as depth. See 20 meters deep. Depth is considered as positive, it means it will become plus 20, and if it is considered as negative, it will become minus 20. 30 meters height, it will become plus 30. Sorry. If they are asking about height, it will become negative, because we already have studied in that point that see on page number 70, point number B, in height, if the mean sea level is considered the 0 level and if the above mean sea level positive height, then depth is negative height. Okay, if they are asking about the depth, it will become negative. See example number 2, 20 meters deep. Okay, 20 meters deep, if depth is considered as positive, they are asking about the depth. Hence 20 meter deep, it means it will become plus 20 meters. Now see B, 30 meters height. 30 meters height, it means it will become minus 30 meters. Why? Because as height stands for negative, height stands for negative depth. Okay. Now see we will start now exercise questions. See exercise 5A. See what is given here. Use positive or negative to represent the following. Consider above mean sea level, profit rise north, right, deposit as positive, whereas below mean sea level, loss, fall, south, left, withdrawal as negative. Okay, now see, it is already given here, one clue is given to you, that is first one. If it is positive means if it is negative or positive, it is already given here. For loss, sea level, mean sea level, fall, south, left, withdrawal as it is negative. Then mean sea level, profit, rise, north, right, deposit as it is considered as positive. So question number first we will solve. Profit of rupees 50. Profit of rupees 50. What it will become? Plus 50, already given for you. This first question is given for you. Now see B, loss of 50. A loss of rupees 50 means it will become minus 50. C, 50 kilometers south. What it will become? If south is given, it will become minus 50. D, 50 kilometer north will become plus 50. E, 40 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. What it will become? ,40 degree below 0 degree Celsius. In below it will become negative, so 40 degree Celsius. If it will given above, then 40 degree Celsius above 0 degree will become positive 40 degree Celsius. Now see, 50 centimeter to the right, G, 50 centimeter to the right. It means on the right side what is? We already have learned on the number line. I have shown you this is positive sign, this is negative. Right side is always positive and left side is always negative. So 50 centimeter to the right, it means it will become plus 50 centimeter. H, 50 centimeter to the left, 50 centimeter to the left will become minus 50 centimeter. I, a rise of 50 points, a rise of 50 points. If they are asking about the rise, it means they are gaining 50 points more. It will become plus 50. J, a fall of 50 points, a fall of 50 points. It means he is losing the 50 points. It means it will become negative 50. 50 points will become minus 50. K, a withdrawal of rupees 70 from a bank. A withdrawal means they are taking out rupees 70 from the bank. It means the money from their account is reducing. The withdrawal of rupees 70 means it will become minus 70. L, a deposit of rupees 70. A deposit means rupees 70 is added to their account. It means plus 70 it will become. A deposit of rupees 70 is equal to plus 70. Now see, M, 50 degree Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. Means above means it will become plus 50. N, 50 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. It will become minus 50 degree Celsius. O, 20 meters below mean sea level. 20 meters below mean sea level. Below mean sea level means it will become minus 20. And 20 meters above mean sea level, then it will become plus 20. Okay. Now see question number 2. Using the number line, introduce greater, equal to or smaller signs in the boxes. A, 0 box is there, minus 3. Now see which sign you can see here, greater or smaller. 0 is greater than minus 3 because minus 3 is smaller than 0. So put here this sign. B, minus 4, like it here 1. See now, minus 4 is smaller than 1 because 1 is on the positive sign of positive sign or positive side. Positive side, it is negative side, it is 0. positive side, negative side. So positive side is always greater than the negative side. So 1 is in the positive side and it is greater than -4. So 1 is greater than -4. See, -7 and -5. Now see, which is greater? -5 is greater or -7 greater? See, -5 is greater. How? When you are making the number line, it is positive sign. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points we are making here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay. Now see, this is 0. Now see, smaller number 1, smaller than -1, that is -2, smaller than -2, that is -3. So -4 is smaller than -3, -5 is smaller than -4. Now see, they are asking that -7 is smaller or -5. No, -7 is smaller than -5. Now D, 0 and 4. 0 and 4. See, both are positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, obviously 4 is greater than 0. E, 1, 0. From 1 and 0, which is this greater? 1. So, 1 is greater than 0. F, -10 and -10. Now see, which number is greater? No one, because both are equal, so put here equal to sign. Okay. Now see question number 3. What numbers do the colored dots on the number line represent? See, simply you have to write your number. Which numbers you can see here on A? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On which numbers dots are given here? On -4, 0. See, this is one number line given to you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now dots is given on -4, 0 and 2. So what they have asked in the question, what numbers do the colored dots on the number line represent? That is -4, 0 and 2. Like this you have to write. B, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, it is not given here. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. -10, -20, -30, -40, -50. Now see, if numbers such like is given, +30, one dot is given, then +20, one dot is given, here -10 and -30. Now see, what they are asking, we have to represent the number on which the dots are given. So -30, -10 and 20 and 30. Okay. Now see, mark the given points on the number line with dots. That you can do by yourself, because you just have to mark the dot on this, on the number line. That you can do on your book only. No need to write in your notebook this question. Question number 4, don't write in notebook. Okay, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, that you have to write in your notebook, classwork copy. Okay. So next questions we will solve in our next lectures. Okay. Do this much questions. Okay, and please read the content given here. Otherwise you will not be able to understand the next questions. Okay. Thank you.